Hello, beautiful, magical people. Nice to see you all again and happy 2019. Today I'm showing up to ask you to come along on a fantastic journey with me. It's my no-buy year. Now, I just wrote a book on this. It's about to be released, and it encapsulates the rules on how to do a no-buy year. This is the year I intend to not buy anything. Now, the reason I can write this book is I've already lived one of these years. Not willingly, I might add. I got dragged out of a wonderful position and ended up in a very horrible position where I could not afford to buy anything. So I lived a year without buying anything that wasn't essential. I'm talking rice, beans, broccoli kind of food essential. So I've already done that, and what I learned from that was life-changing. And recently I watched a TED Talk and I see a movement growing on YouTube that I think we all need to be part of, which is why I wrote the book, and it should be out next week. Hopefully I'll let you stay tuned for that, because it outlines very simply exactly how to do a no-buy year and why you should do a no-buy year. This is what I'm going to tell you. Shopping, commercialism, all of that, it's a trap, right? It's materialism at its core, and it has led us away, truly led us away from our connection with each other, and sadly, our connection with ourselves. And like any addiction, shopping releases dopamine, which is like a cocaine hit, literally. It gives you a pleasure center hit, boom, just like any other drug that makes you feel good. But when you buy something that you can't afford, or you have 10 pairs of black shoes and you buy another pair of black shoes, you don't feel good very long. In fact, you feel shamed. You feel a self-loathing later on. Instead of the joy that you initially felt from that rush, you feel self-disgust and maybe even fear that you've put yourself in a bad position buying something that you thought would bring you joy, make you feel better, or for the moment filled a void. Okay, we're all there, and we've all been caught, and they try and get us. That's what all these corporations do. Sell, sell, sell. Buy, buy, buy. You need this to be beautiful. You need this to be loved. You need this to be successful. It's like we get bombarded. But this is the year that we step out of the lie. So please come join me. Come join a whole crowd of other people that are escaping commercialism. This is so profound, not only as we go through this on a personal level, but on a macro world level. Think of what would happen if we stop focusing on material goods, especially ones that we can't afford. I think the women are more prone to the programming and buying things they don't need. But men, you may find in other areas of your life, whether it's tools you're buying or prepper items or porn, I don't know where your money is going. But I can assure you that money is being siphoned away that you think is going to make you happy and has not made you happy. So this year is the no-buy year. So please join me. I'm going to be here every week here on YouTube, and I'm going to walk you through this adventure. I'm going to do it with you on purpose this time, because I know what it brings at the end of it. It brings self-control, it brings self-love, and guess what? It also brings a lot of money at the end of the year. So how do you get started? It's 2019. You probably want to start now, and you're probably maybe in debt from Christmas, so it's perfect. It's very simple. You make your own rules. We're going to start here. You need to do what's good for you, and only you really know where you overspend to the point where it doesn't feel good. And so a lot of people just go with the replacement theory. For instance, you can replace something when you use it up, then you can buy it, but only after you use it up, and if you don't have a creative way to do something else, to bring it forth, a trading with a friend or whatnot. And You're allowed to buy essentials, of course, pay essential bills, and you can write your own code. If you decide family vacations are important, of course they are, or going out to dinner once a week is important, or however you find importance in connection or rituals with family, that's fine. Spend on that if that's what you decide is where you want to put your money. But maybe you really have just been buying too many purses and you've wasted thousands of dollars in purses. It's like, that's where you're going to want to start. So you get to decide what works for you. But when it comes to non-essentials like beauty items, housewares, let me see, hair care, clothing, that kind of thing can really get out of control, especially for women. So you might want to start there. This is our no-buy year. This is our life. This is our program. And anything starting to get control of this makes you a winner. So start where you can, even if it's small. But I urge you to come along, and I urge you to share what you're going to do, how you feel, how you felt trapped, and maybe what your goals are in this no-buy year. But more than that, I implore you to come along and try it, because why not? I mean, life is a summation of our choices. And so let's choose something higher evolved. Let's choose something higher frequency. Let's use up what we have. Let's totally recycle everything we have before we buy something new, for oh so many reasons. Anyway, thank you so much. It's so wonderful to see you all again. Thank you for watching me today. I hope you join me in this. I'll keep you posted when the book's out. It's called The No-Buy Year. And I'm Linda West, and I love you, and I'm wishing you high frequencies, and please join me on this journey. I'm going to be here with you, and so is everyone else that has tuned in today. Thank you, and goodbye.